In today's video, I'll show you how to use Perplexity AI for resume writing. If you're trying to create a resume from scratch, let me show you how to use Perplexity AI to systematically build a resume from ground up. Firstly, you need a foundation, so we need to identify what sections your resume really needs. You can add in a prompt like this: what are the essential sections for a modern professional resume in 2025? It will give you a clear list of everything that you need to include in your resume. Now, once you know the important sections, what you can now do is start off by creating a summary. Summary is the most important part, which really elevates your pitch. You can add, now depending upon your role, you can change in this title and add in your skills of how you specialize, and then you can hit run again. This way you'll get a professional summary that you can use, or if you don't think this is good enough, you can always reprompt. Now the other thing that you can do once your summary is complete is build your experience section. Instead of you starting off from bullet points, you can use this approach. You can ask Perplexity of what are the skills or the achievements that you should highlight inside of your resume based on the focus. This gives you a template of what matters for your employer, and you can take a look at these and see if what matches and what does not. Lastly, you'll need to identify relevant skills that your position might need. So you can ask what is the most in demand technical and soft skills for the role that you're trying to apply in the current job market. This way you'll know which of your skills you need to emphasize the most. Key here is to build step by step and not generate the entire resume all at once. You build it through sections and deliver different prompts so that your resume stands out. So this is the way that you can use Perplexity for resume writing. If this video was helpful to you, do let us know by giving this video a thumbs up, and also make sure to subscribe to this channel. That's all for today. I'll see you in the next video.